Occasionally, the sensors that display your holding tank levels can read inaccurate over time due to unclean tanks. Buildup and sludge can attach to the walls of your tank and set off your sensors, giving you a faulty readout. It's important to properly maintain your tanks to ensure an accurate readout from your gray and black water holding tanks. First, you'll want to make sure that you're always using the designated RV biodegradable toilet paper, which disintegrates in your holding tank, thus eliminating any buildup caused from using regular toilet paper, which sticks to the sides of your tank and can trigger your tank's sensors. Another important method to practice is using plenty of water when flushing. This will add extra gray water in your black tank, cutting down on sludge and buildup. If you are still experiencing a misreading from your sensors, you can empty both tanks and fill them up with water. The black tank can be filled with RV-designated toilet chemical found at your local Camping World. Let this soak for 24 hours and then drain. Some units are equipped with a black tank flush, which allows you to connect a garden hose to the unit, which is connected to sprayers inside the black water holding tank, which spray the sides of the tank. If your unit is not equipped with the black tank flush, you can purchase an RV toilet wand which connects to a garden hose and is placed down the toilet and then sprays the sides of your holding tank. We hope these operating and troubleshooting tips help you. If you need further assistance, our technicians are happy to answer your questions and assist you in maintaining your home away from home.